Hi everyone, this is Joy. Welcome. You're watching Joy's Happy Hobbies. I have a couple of things to show you today. I got them from Day's Dream. They're really cute. One of them is for me to do. Yeah, well, both of them maybe.
What are they, honey?
I'm gonna show you. And my dear hubby cameraman helpers in the back there, like always. And they always put these cute little Christmas stickers on here whenever I've ordered the Christmas stuff, because it's December, you know. Anyway, this one I'm going to do myself for my own house. I'll get it out of here. What is all in here? Let's take all this stuff out here. What's this? Oh, what is this? Okay, let's see. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, did something break? Uh-oh. What is this? There's something in there.
Computer, honey. I'll take care of it.
Where'd it go? There was a little piece of something in here. I don't know where it went. It looked like something was broke.
All right, well.
Well, that bag's open too. Okay, let's see what this is. Well, here is a piece of plastic. Oh, you know, it might have, here's the stand. It might have been the piece of, there. That was supposed to be punched out, I guess. You punch it out to make a stand. That's all this is. Okay, that was the seal piece inside there. Okay, so this is a beautiful Santa Christmas tree stand, and I imagine it goes in like so, after you diamond paint, of course. So can we, okay, there. So here's the stand. I don't know how I can do it so you guys can see it standing. It stands on the base there.
Yeah.
All right.
It would be like this, sweetheart. See? Right like that.
Oh, there, we could show it in that one.
Right.
All right. But we can't show it
In that one, okay.
standing on the table, though.
Nope.
Well, so
Unless you move the
you
camera.
kind of see it. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. Santa with his Christmas trees and the candy cane, and I thought that was really cute. And you diamond paint in here. Of course, it's got the cellophane over it. All right, and let's see what comes with it. And we got a little baggie here. All right, let's see, a little toolkit. But it looks like there's some other stuff in there. Let's get this out. All right, let's see here. We've got the stylus. Y'all know what that looks like.
Stylus?
It's the diamond painting pen. They call it a stylus.
They do?
Yeah. Actually. Oh, here. Okay. And we've got some here. Maybe you should get this a little bit closer here. There we go. We've got some, okay. Okay. Let's see. These are ornaments. Okay. Ornaments. And these have to be diamond painted too. What are they? What is this? There's a bell. There's a stocking. There is, what's this one? There's a snowman. And what is this? I can't tell what this is supposed to be. I can't tell what that's supposed to be. Can you guys tell? And it's in a shape. Anyway, I can't tell. And then it comes with the rings to attach to them. Okay. There's 4. And you've got your red wax and the green drill tray. All right. So this will be interesting to put together.
How did the ornaments hang on the tree?
Oh, here's that piece that... Anyway, that's a piece that I was trying to get out of the bag before. The ornaments hang with these little rings.
Where?
I was holding it in my hand. They go... Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What?
5?
No.
That's what I
1,
said before.
2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 rings.
That's in case you lose one.
Is that it?
That's called a dropsy.
A dropsy. And let's see. How does this work? So one of the rings will go in here. Okay, so the ring attaches to these. There's a hole right there, as you can see in the. Can you see in there? There's a hole. Okay, the ring goes in one of these ornaments, and then it attaches. I imagine it attaches to the ornament and then goes into this little hole right here. And so when you stand it up, it's hard to get it right. You stand it up, then they dangle or hang in these circles here, in the circles. Pretty cute. So I have to get this all diamond painted. Then I put these back in the bag, or else I'm going to lose them. All right, we'll put these ornaments in here. Pretty cute idea, huh? Don't you think? Yeah. All right. So, yes, I got all my other Christmas presents all mailed out. Now I can do something for myself. All right.
What kind of drills?
They're crystal drills. Okay, shall we open those up? Shall I open the crystal drills? Where's the opening? Oh, these bags are just so hard to figure out. Oh, there we go. Sorry for the crinkle. Sorry for the crinkle. And these are all the beautiful drills. Boy, I've got a stockpile of crystal drills now with all the crystals, Christmas stuff I've been doing. And we got some more fancy drills right here. See that? More fancy drills. Ooh, look. Oh, there's some jellies in here. Look at that. Wow, they came in a pack. It looks like the jellies that I've seen. Cream. I wonder if these are like neon. I don't know. If they light up in the dark. There's some more. There's some more. Yep, these are crystals. Okay, so I'm going to have to get this kitted up pretty soon here. Yeah, oh, look at a lot of silver. A lot of silver. All right. Okie dokie. So there's my standing tabletop Santa. I know you can't. There, it's standing. I know you can't tell very well. Well, they can't see it standing.
I'll hold it up. Well, no. But
yeah, they already saw it on here. They can't. And oh, looky, you have to do 2 sides.
Say what?
You have to do both sides. Look, both sides, so you can see it from you. No wonder there's so many drills. No wonder. Look at that. That's going to be really cute. So no matter where you work, walk around the room, you'll be able to see it decorated. I really like that. Thank you, Days Dream. That was really cute. And I will have Days Dream and these things, if they're still available on there, I'll have them in the description box for you to go check out. Okay. All right. Now this thing is another one. This thing is here. Let me move this over here. It looked really cute on the website on Days Dream. It looked really cute, so I thought I had to get it. It's Welcome to Our Home, and there's going to be some little magnet things to put in there, and it's glow in the dark. Here's a little girl putting one of the things on the sign there, and there's all the different little magnets that are going to go on. They're seasonal. So let's get it open. Now this box came in the package like this. The tape was not fastened on, so I don't know if it had been opened before or not, but let's hope everything's okay inside. All right, so we got the drill, more crystal drills. Got the drills, and got the other another drill tray, another pen, plastic baggies, typical standard toolkit. Okay. And these must be the magnets. We'll get to those in a second. And here's another bunch of drills in here. Okay, we got more crystal, 2 packages. Okay, so I guess maybe one is, one is maybe for the, well, I guess I should take everything out, huh? Okay, here is the sign. Welcome. So we're going to be putting magnets on there, and this all gets diamond painted. The welcome and the design around. Here, let me get this out of the way. Oh, and there's the chain. I'll show that in a second. Get the box out of the way. Anyway, what's on the back? Okay, the back is just a clear plastic. Okay, so this, isn't that pretty? Kind of old-fashioned-y, country style type thing. Really, really cool. I thought I'd try it. All right, and then it comes with the chain. Comes with the chain. And we'll see if this one works. Oh, this is one of those neat ones where it just well, I just got my nails done today, folks. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this in here. My husband might have to do it for me. It goes in that hole right there. And let's take out these little magnets that go on there while he's putting the hook in there. Will it work? Or is it going to be like the gnome? I never did show you my completed gnome and what I did to it. I guess I should have gotten that down off my wall, but we'll take a picture of it later. Alright, so here are, okay, we got one of these.
Can't get it in.
You can't get it in. And that's going to be another problem one, huh?
I'll have to use some kind of tools.
Okay, so there's the, I don't even know what this would be for. It doesn't label it for what season it is. I guess this could be summer. Right here. And, oh, this is 4th of July. Got 4th of July. And March, St. Patrick's Day month. Can put that up there. Here is, what's this? A rose? Is this a rose? With some leaves? Okay, that kind of matches, what'd you do with the, can I see that for a second? Yeah. Bring it back, bring it back. Okay, so, oh, it's got a, it's probably, oh, it's got a little cover on the back here. Okay, that's the diamond paint. Then it probably has a little, is there a cover here?
No.
No. So it's supposed to stick on there. Well, because of the plastic, maybe. The plastic that's on here. But anyway, this is how it would go. Oh, that matches. Look at that. It matches the flower that's on there. Cool. I like that. Okay. And this, what do you think that is? I guess
it's a bulldog.
It's a bulldog?
It's a bulldog.
That goes on there like so. Oh, and then we got a Christmas tree. So we know what that was for. Here's my turkey for Thanksgiving. Cool. My turkey. Alright. And, oh, this is for Valentine's Day. Yeah, I like that. A little heart. I think that's for like Halloween.
Got it upside down.
Do I? Ah. There we go. Whoops. Whoops, sorry about that. I guess this would be for Halloween, huh? The skull head. I don't know if I'm into that decor. And Easter. This is really cute. Look at that. That's for Easter. Okay. And a snowman. Well, that's for Christmas too. Or just plain winter, huh? Just plain winter. So what a cute little idea. What a cute idea. And I don't know what that would be for.
It's a dog.
It's a dog. Is it a dog?
Yes, it's a dog.
Okay. Well, so these are all, and these all have to be diamond painted. These all have to be diamond painted too. So I got my work cut out for me. This might take me the rest of the year of 2022 to get done. Okay. Thank you, honey, for the chain. Anyway, he was having a little difficulty time getting that in there, and I know when I did my gnome, I broke it trying to get the hook in the hole. But my husband fixed it. I wish I could show it. It's on the wall right now. So anyway, that's it. That's my day's dream haul for right now. Subscribe. Hit the bell. If you want to see more videos with me, with crazy me in here and all my hobbies. And like. All right. We will sign off now. And I'll say goodbye. And we'll see you on the next time around.
She wrapped it up. Bye.
Hi, PS time. After going through this welcome home sign, I just figured out how it works. So let me show you. I should have opened up the toolkit, because there is a magnet in there. Okay, and it's got a little paper on here, a 3M paper that you pull off, and that is going to stick in the middle of the welcome sign, and that's how those are going to fit on there. Okay, I should have opened the toolkit. Anyway, that's it. you just never know what's going to happen on my channel. That's why it's called Happy Hobbies. Okay, talk to you later.
And that's why we find our keys in the crisper. Bye, everyone.
I'm crazy. Oh yes, and I'm Christmas. Yes. Okay. Bye.